Today, we will be exploring the National Museum of Natural History in the Philippines.
Are you excited? Yes, I am. How about you guys? And now, as we enter the museum, here are the rules and regulations to follow.
The National Museum of Natural History houses 12 permanent galleries that exhibit the rich biological and geological diversity of the Philippines. It includes creatively curated displays of botanical, zoological, and geological specimens that represent our unique natural history. Situated at the center of the museum is a Tree of Life structure that proudly connects all the unique ecosystem in the Philippines, from our magnificent mountain ridges to the outstanding marine reefs. The Tree of Life is the new architectural focal point, but is also a dramatic entry point and the channel for going around the museum. The idea of the Tree of Life was inspired by natural history, a man's wanting to understand nature and his place in it. Garcia said, "A globe showing the Earth's biosphere and some phenomena affecting the Earth's climate system sits at the center of the adjacent room. A 94-foot long, 21,000-pound model of a blue whale suspended from the ceiling. It was in the ocean about 3.5 billion years ago that the first life on Earth arose."
This art is called Orconuma. On March 7, 2011, a meteorite crashed near Orconuma, Bungabong, Oriental Mindoro, and farmers found pieces of the falling heavenly body on the field. It took 8 years for it to be uncovered after being hidden from the public's view. This is the art of Lulong. Lulong was a saltwater crocodile captured in the Philippines in September 2011, measuring 20 feet and 3 inches, or 6.17 meters, and weighing 2,370 pounds, or 1,075 kilograms. This is the art of Tamarao or Mindoro dwarf buffalo. The scientific name Bubalus mendorensis is a small buffalo belonging to the family Bovidae. It is endemic in the island of Mindoro and the Philippines, and is the only endemic Philippine bovine.
The National Museum of Natural History in the Philippines is a world-class institution showcasing the country's rich natural heritage. It features hornbill like Philippine hornbill, which are important to country's forest. The National Museum of Natural History in the Philippines also proudly showcases the Philippine eagle, the country's national bird.
The gallery features the mineral sources mined locally to manufacture products we have come to need for practical, everyday use. They are extracted from the earth through different methods like placer mining, surface mining, and underground mining. The picture above is called ammonite, comes from the Egyptian ram god Ammon, as their fossilized shells resembled ram horns. Ammonites were marine animals belonging to the Phyllomollusca and the class Cephaloda, meaning they were closely related to modern-day squid, octopuses, and nautilus.